Alrighty, so we're washing out inside. I know you wanted to see my nice homemade hose deal, but not today. It's dark. So we're just gonna spray it out in here. It'll be alright. It's all good. I want to be able to take it to work with me tomorrow. And
so we're trying to get it done quick.
Yeah, we both had to work late tonight. So. And we were busy taking pictures for Etsy. Did you get those posted?
No.
Okay. But we're about to post them here in a minute, so make sure and check that out. Shameless plug. Crank that shit up, man. Probably shouldn't be wearing my good pants, but it's all good. Pretty good. What do you think? Throw some hot in the mix. What do you think? What do you think? Looks like it took pretty well. I was concerned because our soaking protocol wasn't the best here. Let's face it, our protocol for everything wasn't the best on this one. But we wanted to get it made for a friend of ours.
A very dear friend.
Yep. This is just a gift to someone. Man, here. Ah!
Yeah.
I washed it. I wanted to make sure it would wash, you know. It's good. It's also dripping. Ah, we're getting it together over here, folks. Check that out, man. That's pretty nice. Yes, ma'am. I got a better mount for that, by the way. It's in the bag.
Do you think you'll like it?
Oh yeah, I think he'll love it. Hold it back a little bit. Yeah. Look at that, man. That's pretty awesome.
I hope you like it.
I'm sure you
I
will.
wish I had more pink in
Look
it.
at that spiral, man. Oh yeah, he's gonna love that.
Are you
That's
sure?
a nice spiral. Oh yeah.
Tell him I'm sorry I didn't have more pink in it.
He'll be alright. He'll live. I promise you. He's gonna love it.
It's so funny.
It's good. How much of that do I put in there?
Fourth cup of that.
Fourth cup of that.
And then this is a fourth cup per 8 pounds, so like 2 tablespoons of that.
What's that there, babe?
Professional textile detergent. I think it's called Synthropol.
Textile detergent. Synthropol.
Ooh, it's stinky.
Stinky, stinky. And we have Millsoft, any professional textile softener. Let's do it out of the washer. Yeah. Millsoft.
Don't do a deep rinse. Don't do a deep rinse. Do a light rinse.
Hot water there, right?
Yeah. Don't soak.
here's the final result. Check that out, man. Look at that. Oh yeah, that came out like really, really good. This is a custom tee for a friend of ours, and yeah, it came out really good. Alrighty folks, there it is. Custom ordered tie-dye tee, first one at the new location. Y'all have a wonderful day.